Let's break down the 5 most common lipstick mistakes that can age you by a decade, and easy ways to fix them for a bright, youthful look. First, skipping lip prep. Dry, flaky lips make lipstick settle into fine lines, drawing attention to every crease. Remedy: exfoliate gently and hydrate with a nourishing lip balm. A smooth base means a smoother, more vibrant color payoff. Second, choosing shades that wash you out. Extremely dark or pale nudes can drain your face of warmth and make lips appear thinner. Instead, pick rich berries, soft mauves, or peachy shades for a fresh, radiant look that lights up your whole expression. Third, overlining too dramatically. Exaggerating your natural lip line may seem like the secret to fullness, but it often backfires and adds a harsh, unnatural look. Subtly trace just outside your natural shape for believable, plump lips that radiate youth. Fourth, ignoring your lip shape. Applying a bold color without considering your unique features can drag down your appearance. Use a touch of highlighter at your cupid's bow, and the center of your bottom lip to bring light and dimension back to your smile. And finally, letting lipstick bleed. Color creeping into fine lines around the lips instantly signals age. Prevent this by using a waterproof lip liner to define and lock in your shape, and always blot excess product. With a few simple tweaks, your lipstick can do exactly what it's meant to: celebrate your best features, help you look luminous, and give you that confidence